Miss Abby here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make your own cheerleading pom-poms at home. Okay, so to get started, you're going to need some tape, some scissors, and something to make your pom-poms out of. So today, I'm using some plastic tablecloths, but you can also use some things that you can find around your house, like plastic bags, garbage bags, or even some tissue paper or wrapping paper. Okay, so let's get started. So the pom-poms I'm making today are going to be multicolored, pink, stars, and blue. So we're going to open these up and we're going to fold them over to make little squares.
Once you've folded the material into squares, we need to cut down the sides to separate each sheet.
Okay, so once you've got each of the colours cut into separate squares, all about the same size, we're going to put them into two different piles, one for each pom-pom.
When you're putting down your sheets, try to keep the colours in a pattern so they're nicely spread out at the end.
Once you've got both of your piles sorted, we're going to put one aside and bring this one in. It's time for some more cutting. So what we're going to do is tape it to the table so it stays still, and we're going to cut lines down each side of the pom-pom, making sure each side is the same length.
It's really important to try and cut each strip the same length, otherwise it will make our next step a bit tricky. To get the other side the same length, I fold over the material so I can measure it to the parts I've already done. Okay, time to fold it up fan style. This part can be a bit tricky, so you might want some extra help from mum or dad. So what we're going to do is grab the material, fold it two forwards and then one back.
Once you have your sheets all folded, we're going to tape it up in the middle. I use electrical tape for this. Once you've firmly taped your handle in the middle, now it's time to separate the strands on each side. Try to alternate the colours. And there you have it, your very own pom-pom. You can change the size of your pom-poms by making the squares at the start different sizes. What do you think of mine? Alright, I can't wait to see your ones. Bye!